Y'all, gonna shoot a little video today. I've got my good buddy Romero coming out to give me a hand with my turnaround, and had to go to some extra lengths here. I guess we'll just call it a dust barrier. What's up, Romero?
Yeah, Fritz.
What's up, my brother?
How are you, Fritz?
I'm doing all right.
Man, you looking hungry, Fritz.
Get after it, Romero. Hard-working man right there.
I'm busy in this group, you know. On your body.
Yep.
You know?
It's hard on you. I think the speed's down on it. Romero, you got a speed on there.
All right. Let me see.
All right, brother. That's it. Where is it?
Right here.
Right here?
Yeah.
Yeah. Hope we got just enough boards.
Let's see, brother.
There she is, buddy. Pull that bastard out of there. Alright, let's clean up our hole.
Yeah.
Y'all are ready for our first cut. 79 and 3/16. Alright, y'all, let's make our first cut. 79 and 3/16. Let's do it, Romero.
Let's start it on, baby. I got it.
All right, brother, get that sumbitch in there tight.
Don't go open.
You got it, Bubba? All right, my man. Makita's the shit, boy.
Holy shit!
I'm glad no car will come down. All right, brother. Impact time, baby.
Holding this right here.
All right. Unbelievable. Ain't that some stuff, man? Okay, brother. Make sure we're square down there. All right, y'all are ready for our next one. 43 inches.
Alright.
That's us, buddy. That's how we're doing it.
That's this.
That's how we're doing it, baby.
Alright.
Give me a bolt.
Bolt. And I make the hole. Maybe right here?
Yep, perfect.
Put the camera. Put the camera, brother.
We got to document it, man. It's a documentary.
Alright. Right here.
See, right there's fine, brother. You are the man. Romero in action. My square? Square deal, buddy?
That's good.
That's good, ain't it?
First in action. Okay, let me go take the long one.
Okay. I tell you what, Ramiro, this time I want to bring it back and we'll put a giblet piece in here.
A little piece right there?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, long one. All right, my brother. Hat cam, baby. We got the hat cam going.
I want to see why you doing it here.
Yeah, it's more like it, buddy.
That's good.
Yes.
And let's hold this together. Okay?
And then we'll take, and we'll work our way back. Once we get this piece, we'll work our way back to that end piece. That way we can have a full length here. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. Okay, let me make that right here.
You're the man, my brother.
Alright, brother, don't move, okay?
You got it?
Yeah, you put the wall in.
Okay.
I make the other hole right there.
You got it. Just for you. Baby.
Yeah.
It's in there.
Okay.
Right where your thumb is. Romero, don't listen to me. We're tag teaming this, man. We're partners on this one. You ready?
Right.
Okay, buddy.
Very strong.
Need the hammer? I made it tight, baby.
Hammer.
I made it tight.
Wait.
Okay. That's tighter than Dick's headband, boy.
Yeah.
That's the way we like it, ain't it? You ready?
Yeah.
All right, brother.
Very good. Right.
We'll put one in the middle, Bubba.
Let's put one right here and one over the corner.
Okay.
Let me do one more wall. Right here. Body.
Here I go. Square?
Yeah, that's good.
All right. Damn, they're going in there good now, man.
Yeah.
short 2. We're gonna be short 2. Alright.
What is short?
It's alright. We'll make a Home Depot run. Romero. I thought I had everything planned out, but we had to make some short pieces.
Yeah.
Alright y'all, I was 2 boards short, so I reckon I'm heading to the depot here. Kentucky's Home Improvement Warehouse. Alright y'all, hopefully these boards are somewhere close that I can get to them. I'm strong enough, Romero. Alright, we're good here, brother.
Alright.
We're good there. Create it.
Yeah.
Just one bag right in there.
Alright.
You want my knife?
I got it. I got it, my finger knife.
Finger knife. I love it. Perfect, brother.
Let me take the water.
Okay. Y'all don't want to breathe that. Romero, just use the one in the back. Alright guys, this one ain't going nowhere. All right, my brother, you are the man. Level. Little tampy do.
Yeah.
Tampy too. You can tell we're getting hot. That's perfect, Romero. That is freaking perfect. All right, my brother.
Let me.
Dump that little bit right there. Let that.
Let me. Put a warm bag right there.
Fill her up, Romero.
That thing is good. Don't come.
That's beautiful.
Yeah.
I'll All right, brother. All right. Down to the clay. Bitch.
Let me cut a little more.
God damn, dude.
Eat them?
I'm getting weak. Coming in. Alright, brother. Okay. Bam. We'll use just this bag and a little bit of that one. Then maybe we'll have enough to do our thing over. Yeah. I hope so. We'll let the earth do the thing here. Mother Earth. Alright, y'all, we're going to mount our post to our frame.
Alright?
Yes. And get one in another center. Yeah. Perfect. All right, my brother.
All right, my brother. It's your turn.
It's my turn.
Right, brother.
It's my turn. Ah.
That's good.
Okay, brother. Another screw.
Screw.
Not quite, but
Little bit.
did it?
And that's perfect.
Is it? I love it, dude.
Alright.
You ready? Go ahead and do your other one.
Let me make another one.
Yeah. Get your other one.
Compost.
All right, brother. Let me do my thing.
Alright, bro.
Let me do my thing. Good God. Can't do my thing when it's full of dirt. Perfection. That's good. We can get your other one.
Make one more right here.
Yes. Yeah, I'll cut this shit off after, you know, in a few days. So I'll get you to paint up to, you know.
What's that you want to paint it? Right here?
Yeah, paint it up to about right here.
Oh.
And then what I'll do is when I'll come back, when I cut it off, I'll, you know, lop the tops off and I'll just dab some on the top.
All right.
Good enough. All right, y'all, we got all our posts in the ground, got everything concreted, and Romero has busted out the stain. This job is almost complete. I'll actually come back in and cut the posts off and put a little dabble duty on the top once the concrete and everything's set. I'm not going to go cutting on them right now. But, all right, y'all, I'll show you after he's done. He's quick, he's fast. Watch him, boy. Watch him. Watch him. Oh. That's your little peeky-boo hole, ain't it? What a good boy. My good boy. Hey y'all, I reckon we're finished with our project for the day. We've got our landscape timbers in here, and we've got 8-inch lag bolts holding them together. We've got 4x6 posts, 2 foot in the ground, with a bag and a half of concrete in each, and packed the dirt in there real good. Romero, man, what a great guy. He actually painted everything already, and I reckon we're ready to rock. It's 9 o'clock Sunday in Fern Creek. We've got everything completed. Romero went ahead and put some paint on this bad boy for me. Everything has 8-inch lag bolts in it, bag and a half of concrete. Look how straight that is, guys. Hey Romero, man, thank you so much. I hope I didn't get you in the doghouse that you staying so late. Thank you, brother.